Next section, measure 13 and 14. This is rhythmically a little challenging. We have 1 and 2 and 3 and 3. So make sure we're really consistent with how we're playing those eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 3. Okay, none of these notes are hard. It's just a matter of practicing the staccatos and making sure you're not getting honky. It does have the crescendo written with the word, so make sure you get a little fuller here. But we're going to mezzo forte. We're not going to like fortissimo, so you don't have to like give it a bunch of gas right here. Ideally, you're not going to take a breath from here to here, so just be prepared for that as you go to connect these phrases. This is measure 14 to 15. So be sure that that's connected.